Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Kubernetes cluster and Openshift. In particularly, we're talking about how to log into the pods quickly running behind a service or a deployment. So whenever we are trying to, troubleshoot a service or a deployment in Openshift or Kubernetes cluster, we generally end up trying to log into the pod and see what's happening within the pod, which is running the actual application. So, and I personally find it very frustrating that you have to look up for the pod name, and the pod names are generally changing, and you have to then use those pod names and log into the application, right? So instead of doing that, what you can do is you can just list your application. So for example, in my case, my application is called MongoDB service. Once you do that, all you have to do is run your normal kubectl command, and instead of giving the pod name, you can just give service slash your service name, and voila, you are inside the pod which is running behind the service, right? So you don't have to remember the find the pod name, type the pod name, and so on and so forth. Generally your service name will not change, so you can remember that and log in directly. And same thing you can do with OC utility. If you want to just use OCRSH command, you can just run OCRSH, your service name, and you would be inside the pod running behind the service. I personally found it very useful when troubleshooting or trying to find out different things within Kubernetes related to service. And as a matter of fact, you can also do the same thing with your deployments and stateful sets. So for example, if I do OC get stateful set, this is my stateful set, and let's say I want to log into the pods running created by these stateful sets. I don't have to find the pod name. All I have to do is just use kubectl exec-it and my stateful set name. And same I can do with OC. So OCRSH. So this particular trick I found quite useful for myself, because generally your service name or deployment or stateful set names are constant. You're not changing them daily, but pod names do generally get changed a lot. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.